Hi, we continue on network analysis with graph theory, and this video is about forming card set matrix, or which is generally denoted with the symbol capital Q. Okay, so we start once again with our favorite graph with 4 nodes as an example, 1 2 3 4, which are connected with edges like this, and then I choose the reference currents arbitrarily in this edges. Okay, cool. The goal is to form a card set matrix Q. For that, the step 1 once again is to find or identify a tree. Okay, identify a tree in this set, any tree you like. Let me take this one. So this and these 3 edges, they together join all the nodes, so this form a tree. There is no loop with these 3 edges, so a tree is chosen. A tree is chosen. Okay, now name the after that name the edges and nodes. So let me give names as maybe A, B, C and O, and the edges, it's convenient, it's customary to name these 3 edges first and then the remaining edges. So I name them as maybe 1, 2 and 3. Okay, first the 3 edges are the twigs, and then the remaining edges are the legs. So 1 2 3, it's done. After that, let me name this one as 4, this one as 5, this one as 6. Okay, so 3 first, then the remaining things. So naming is done. Okay, then step 2, identify fundamental card sets. So identify fundamental card sets. What are these fundamental card sets? These are partitioning of this graph into 2 halves like this. Okay, maybe I use a bit different color. Like this. So this partition, as if I cut this graph through this, then node A, O and B will be on one side and node C will be on the other side. The rule when you cut a graph is that this cut should pass through only one twig. Okay, it should not be like this. It should not be like this like this pen, which passes through 1 2 and 3 twigs. This is not allowed. Take a card like this which passes through only 1 twig. Then you can take maybe this one. This passes through only 1 twig. This one. You can take this one. Okay, so this also passes through only 1 twig. but you cannot take a cart, say like observe my motion like this, because then I will cart 2 twigs, 2 and 3. That's not allowed. So take carts which passes through only one twig. So it's important, choose carts which passes through only one twig, one and only one. Okay, so like this. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 twigs. That means we can have 3 different carts, one through this twig, one through this twig, another through this twig. So one through this twig, one through this twig, and one through this twig. So we can have 3 different carts which passes through only one twig, and these carts we call as fundamental carts. Okay. Now let me name these carts, and I will name this cart as cart number 3. This cart is cart number 3 because it goes through the twig number 3. This cart goes through to the twig 2, so I call this one as cart number 2, and this one goes through this twig 1, so I call it cart 1. Okay, so let me now write these carts. So I will have cart 1, 2 and 3, cart 1, cart 2 and cart 3. Okay, now observe that cart 1 goes through age 1, age 6 and age 5. 1, 6 and 5. So this goes through 1, then 6 and then 5. Okay. Then cart number 2 goes, it's here, so it goes through age 4. This is age 4, so it goes through age 4, then 2, then 6 and 5. So 4, 2, 6, 5. 4, 2, 6, 5. Cart number 3, this goes through 4, 3 and 5. 4, 3, 5. 4, 3, 5. Okay. Now there is a convention for plus minus direction. Let's come to that. Consider cart 1 again. Cart 1. See, this cart 1 is this, and the age that generates this cart is this. So this is the parent age of this cart, and the direction of this parent age is from this side to that side, from right to left, Okay, so the direction of cart 1 is kind of right to left, left. So I write this beside cart number 1, which is from right to left. Okay. Then let's look at cart number 2. Cart number 2 is generated by this age number 2. So the direction for this cart I write as bottom to top. Okay, so this is cart 2. Cart 2 is bottom to cart 2 is generated by this edge 2. So, and this goes from bottom to top, so I take this direction as the direction of cart 2. Similarly, cart 3 is generated by this edge 3, which is from right to left. Okay, so I choose right to left, this as the direction for cart 3. Cart 3 goes from right to left, 2 from this side to that side, or bottom to up. This one is from bottom to up or right to left, whatever you call, from this side to that side. Now, okay, now let's consider cart 1. Okay, cart 1 is made up with edge 1, and edge 1 goes from right to left, as so the direction of this edge is same as the direction of this cart, so I put a plus sign here. Then this edge 6, this also is going from right to left, so the edge 6, direction of edge 6 is same as the direction of this cart, right to left. See, this is right to left, so I put a plus sign. Edge number 5, this is going from left to right, but the direction of this cart is from right to left, so it's in the opposite direction, so I put a minus sign here. Similarly, let's consider cart 2. Cart 2 is made up of 4, 2, 6 and 5. So cart 2 is here, and the direction of cart 2 is from this side to that side. And edge number 4, yes, it is in the same direction from this side to that side, so a plus sign here. Edge number 2 is also in the same direction from this side to that side, so plus sign here. Edge number 6, it is in the opposite direction, so it's going from this side to that side, this side to that side, it's in opposite direction, so I put a minus sign here. Edge number 5, this is from here to here, here to here, it's in the same direction as the edge 2 or the cart 2, from here to here, out to in, so I put a plus sign here. Cart 3. Cart 3 is made up of 4, 3 and 5. So this is cart 3, which is from right to left. Edge number 4 is in the opposite direction. It's going from outside to inside, so minus sign. Okay. Edge number 3, it's in the same direction. I put a plus sign. Edge number 5 is in the opposite direction, outside to inside. Okay, so this is minus. Okay, so we have found the fundamental cards and the edges that they are made up of, and a symbol for plus or minus for these edges, depending on the direction of these edges and the direction of the card. Now step 3 is, this is the final step, is to write a matrix or a table which is like this. On this side I take different cards, and on this side I take different edges. So there are 1, 2, 3 fundamental cards, so I take 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. There are 6 edges, so I need 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cards, card number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now I have to fill it up. Let's consider cart 1. Cart 1 is made up of edge number 1, 6 and 5. So 1, this is with plus sign, so I put a plus 1. 6 with plus sign, so I put a plus sign here under edge number 6. Then minus 5, so I put a minus 1. Then 0, 0, 0, because these edges are not in this card. Next, consider card 2. It's made up of 4, 2, 6 and 5. Now 4 with a plus sign, 2 with a plus sign, 5 with a plus sign. 4, 2 and 5 with plus signs. So 4, 2 and 5. 4, 2, 5 with plus signs, and 6 with minus sign, minus 1. 6 with minus 1. Then 0, 0, because these edges are not there. Cut number 3. This one, cut number 3. This is made up of 4, 3 and 5. 3 with plus sign, so 3 with plus sign. 4 and 5 with minus signs. Minus 1, minus 1. 0, 0, 0, because these edges are not there. So that's how this matrix is formed. This matrix is called the cut-set matrix and is generally denoted as the symbol Q. So this is equal to Q. Yeah, just a concluding remark is that we started with a tree and we could have chosen a different tree. There could be many trees, like this is a tree, these two are this 6, 3 and 2, this is a tree. If I had chosen that as a tree, I would have got a different fundamental cards, then I would have got a different Q matrix. So depending on which tree you choose, you get different Q matrix. No problem, absolutely. There can be many Q matrices. Thank you.